And race is on. Echikatsu, Zalinlay, I am on fire. Speedmaker. Benissimo is moving up by the favorite. Reyes Angel is running in 6th position. 7 belongs to Kudos. 8 Angel do go rushing up sila Unlaan. Be My Queen also there. Entry number 3 Senyales. While entry number 9 is running at the tail of the field, and this one's Kiboy. Benissimo, Speedmaker, Salinlahi is racing on the outside. Reyes Angel is now running in fourth by about 2 lengths. I am on fire. Be My Queen taking the 6 spots by Daral Kudos alongside Isla Unlaan. As they race the last 450, Salinlahi from the outside at Benissimo by Daral. Reyes Angel in between runners. Benissimo, Reyes Angel. Be My Queen is running by Daral. It's now Reyes Angel by a length and a half. Be My Queen, Benissimo, La Unlaan is on the outside. And finally, Reyes Angel second. Be My Queen, La Unlaan, Benissimo, Salinlahi. Pentafecta.
Okay,